star. At the silver hatch in his little white cap. Come on, Rory, one more lap. Rory, the racing car. Rory, my #1 star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Rory, they're right behind ya. Come on, Rory, the racing car. Rory, my #1 star.
It was a lovely day at Silver Hatch. Trxy was on his way to the village to deliver apples, but he wasn't looking where he was going.
La la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la. Oh, morning, Henny.
Morning, Trxy. Oh, watch out.
Huh?
Are you okay, Trxy?
I think so, Rory, but I can't get my engine started now.
Don't worry. I'll go and get Big Chris to help. Won't be long.
I'm a motor man, that's what I am. Time for a tea, I think.
Big Chris! Trxy had an accident at Dinky's corner.
Oh,
He
dear.
can't get his engine started.
Oh, I better take a look. Look up. There's been an accident. Get around here quick.
No need to race. Lugger's on the case.
No, I'll finish this thing later. You lead the way, Rory.
Chris, wait! I need you to fix Zippy. Oh, I'd better have a go at mending you myself, Zippy. Oh, look at the state of this workshop. How can Big Chris work in a mess like this? Zippy, it looks like I'm going to have to put off fixing you until I get this place tidied up.
Messy molehills. Do you want a hand, Marsha?
Oh, yes, please, Malcolm. It's going to take a while to clean all of this up. You'll have to clear up these apples, Trxy.
That won't be a problem, Zizzy. Oh,
We're here, Trxy.
Rotate my wrench! What have you been up to, Trxy? Hey, whatever it is, don't worry, kid. I'll soon have your engine going again. Listen, while I fix him, you guys can finish your practice laps. But remember, if you bend it...
you finish it!
Hey, this stuff's good. Maybe I should eat fruit more often.
Mamma mia! I will show you, Rory.
Lovely. It's taken me ages to clean my burrow. Still, everything's neat and tidy now. Oh no! Here come those silly racing cars! My carrots! Look what Rory and his friends have done to my burrow!
Phew! Oh, it's starting to look tidier, Malcolm. Big Chris will have a surprise when he gets back.
Oh, where shall I put this half-eaten sandwich thing, Marsha?
Yuck! In the bin, please, Malcolm.
Right. I believe that sorted your engine, Trxy. Give it a try now.
It works! Thanks, Big Chris!
Now!
We better clear away these apples now.
Good idea, kid. And I better get back to the workshop.
There. Big Chris won't recognise the place. Thanks for your help, Malcolm. How about a nice cuppa in my office?
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Thanks, Lugger.
You're welcome. Catch you later.
Yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, time for some tea. Oh, yes! And the rest of my yummy thing, you beauty. Whoa! Oh! Who's been messing with my workshop? Look at it! I can't work in these conditions! Where's my wrench? Where's my favorite oily rag? More to the point, where's my yummy thing? Oh! It's in the trash! Someone threw my yummy thing in the trash! What kind of a world are we living in when a man can't leave a yummy thing on the side? Look at it! Ruined! I can't eat this now! Zippy! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! It's all becoming very clear. I know who's been in my workshop. Marcia! 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 Where is she? Marcia! Marcia! Where are you? Marcia, was it you?
Me?
Was it you who tidied up my workshop?
Oh, that! Yes, me and Malcolm. No need to thank us.
Thank you! I don't want to thank you, Marcia. I want to give you an earful. I liked it just the way it was. Never you mind, eh? Going in there. I'll never find anything now. And you threw away my yummy thing! I was looking forward to that.
How about a cookie instead?
Cookie? I don't want to... saying that, are they cookies with jam? Ooh, give me two.
Big Chris, your workshop was a mess. Goodness knows what Mr. Carburettor would have said if he'd been here. It's much better to have everything neat and tidy. That way, you'll always know where everything is.
Well, I like my mess.
Hey, Rory Rust Bucket! I want a word with you. You've made a mess of my burrow with your silly racing.
We're sorry about that, Furs. We'll help you clear it up. If you can catch us.
Oh, come back here!
Oh, now that was a cup of my favorite tea, Marcia.
It's coming from the workshop. Quick!
Are you hurt, Furs?
I'm fine, Rory. I think.
Oh! I don't believe it! Furs, have you any idea how hard Malcolm and I worked to tidy this workshop? Oh, look at it!
The thing is... Oh, yeah, but Sorry. I'll clean everything up. Promise.
You don't need to clean up a thing, Furs. Actually, you've done me a favor, kid. This is just how I like my workshop at the moment. Now I can get back to work as normal. It looks like you need a bit of attention, Zippy. I'll just get my wrench, if I can find it.
Oh, Big
Oh, where's my wrench? Where is it?
It wouldn't be a problem if everything was in its place.
Yeah, all right, Marcia, hun. Where is it? Come on. Where is it? Where's my wrench? Where's my
Big
wrench?
Chris was starting to realize that maybe sometimes he should keep his workshop a bit tidier.
And is it in here? Well, where's my wrench? Oh.